The Woofz app review. Woofz app can be accessible on Google Play or Apple Store. What you need to do is search Woofz, click on the Woofz application, and then afterwards click on the Get option or Install option. Once you have already installed it, click on the Get Started option, or if you have an account, click on Login. And then you will be asked what gender of your dog is. This is also good for those people who have dogs because you can track your dog's name. Especially you're being asked if your dog is adopted, and then you will see their experts that can actually make you feel safe. Also, you will be asked which commands that your dog knows, and then which your dog knows how to do, which is actually good because you can process how smart your dog is. You will also be asked which the common behavior of your dog or pet. And then, afterwards, the app will create a personal program for your fluffy friend or dog. So, if you want to talk or track your dog's abilities, this is right for you.